Search up khoenvn.io.vn. Scroll down and click on the Install DNS Profile button. Allow the profile to download. Now go to Settings. Click on General. Scroll down and click Device Management. Install the downloaded profile. Now return back to the website. Scroll down onto the direct design, download links and install them, one by one till one of them work. Return back to Device Managements. Click on the certificate and trust it. Now return to the website. Scroll up and click the Download Design Certificate button. Download. Now open up Design. Import the Design.sut file. Click and unzip it. Open up the folder. Look for the certificate your design is using, then click and import to Certificate Management. Now import the Delta IPA file found on the server. Import to App Library. Now go to the Apps menu. Click on Delta and press Signature. Signature once again. Once signed, install it. Now enjoy.